Want to purchase Minnesota Twins tickets? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily buy one. First thing first, move into any of the web browser and move into Ticketmaster.com. Once you're in the official page, make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you are logged in, now in the search bar you need to search for Minnesota Twin. Once found, click on it. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on this page. In this page, if you scroll down, tons of different tickets of different dates will be available to you. You can enter the specific location and also the date. Once selected, now click on Find Tickets. In this page, select the number of tickets you want to purchase. Now select the specific seat. After that, tap on Reserve Tickets. Follow the on-screen process and pay the amount. Once the amount has been paid, your ticket will be reserved and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.